بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Hello brothers, sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can convert our 3D model to 3D PDF 3D. As you see here, I have this model and I change it to 3D PDF. As you see, there are many things we can do it. We can go to we can change everything. It's just like any 3D viewer program. Okay, so and it's PDF. Here is the model, how we can change it, or what's the things that we want to change. So in this lesson I want to show you this one. First of all, it's pretty easy, guys, to make anything. As we can make everything, just like solid outline. The presentation is the presentation. We can make with wireframe, solid wireframe. You see everything. Anyhow, so let's get started. And first of all, here we have this model. And it's totally advanced steel model. Right click, it's advanced steel model. Okay, so everything is okay. So what's the way? The first of all, we have to use this one, or if we go to or if we select this one, go to file, save as this, save as the formats. You see, we cannot find out this PDF 3. Okay, no problem. Again, let's try to go to export. The formats, we cannot find PDF 3. We have this one 3D, but it's just like AutoCAD. Okay, so there's no PDF 3D. There's a way with the Greatech Powerback plugin, but it's for mini. But I want to show you another way, another cool way. Okay, maybe you are for the first time that watching this one on the net. So please share and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, the first of all, we have to change every single advanced steel elements to. Anyhow, let's open this file now. As you see, we have click here options and trust this document always. As you see here now, we have this 3D model. Okay, so this is a 3D model, and we export it. As you see, there are many things. Whatever you want, show cross sections, so section properties. You see, we can make arrange tilting and things like this. This camera just like this, and how from here the background, let's say white or whatever color we want. Okay. If you zoom in here, we can do everything. As here, if we have some views, we can go to home, which is the first one. We have anchor bolts. We have everything, and we can change this one to the views. We can shade it like this. It's just a 3D PDF. Okay. So what's the benefit of the 3D PDF? As we know, not every client are engineers. It's absolutely it's 100%. This is right, and not all of them. They are using 3D programs like AutoCAD, like things like this. But PDF, everyone has PDF file on or PDF reader on his even on his mobile, so you can just send them to the 3D Of course, you can put your company name here or your name here. How you can do it? It's pretty easy, right? How you can do it? Just think for some seconds. I'll give you the answer. Don't worry. You got it or not? Okay, so we can do it by extruding inside the module. For example, if we sorry for that, let me go to world. For example, you want to write your name here, whatever you want. Let's say take a text for that. Let's say test. Sorry. We have to bring a text, or what kind of things you have. It's not let's say test. Just click it here. I'm sorry. Just this test here. We have to change the font, of course. Control H, so I can change the font. We can do many things, but the first what I have to do, I have to change this one to the exploded, or by this I'm going to Express tool. If you don't have Express tool, you can just right here in the command, just go to Express, and it will give you it will show up here Express tool. So select this one and can modify text, explode text. But first of all, we have to have this text should has a thickness, so it divides into two parts: outer part and inner part. Okay, be sure for this. As here, there's only one. Oh, let me make another text, and I'll show you what I mean. Let me make another text. Okay. T for text. Let's say test. Okay, just change this one. I'll change it to something has like a thickness, like this one. Okay, so RO, I want to rotate it by 90 degree. You can specify the width and things like this, no problem. Just select it, go to modify text, exploded text, and now we should have, yeah, as you see now is two parts. Okay, I'll bring it up. Yeah, I have to make it smaller. So as see, let's say 0.0. 0.06 and anything, just to be just like this. Okay, after that, what I have to do, I have to extrude this one to something. Of course, we cannot extrude this. So first of all, I will make only for this one, and the rest you have to change. Okay, or you have to modify it. You just go to X for exploding this one, and to, yeah, just like this. So it should be only one line, one polyline, and after that join for joining this one. If it's not joined, maybe boundary. We're using boundary for that, for polyline inside. Yeah, so we have, okay, if you have this boundary, so extrude by something something, I don't know, just click it, no problem. I don't know how much. Yeah, just like this, but it's too too much. So I'll decrease it for something like this. Okay, something like this. And after that, now what we want to do, we want to just select everything, test. Sorry, just click here, trust this document always. We have to wait a little bit. You see this S that we made. So by this way we can put our company logo. Okay, so we can be sure that nobody take this one from ourselves. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you guys. Don't forget, as you see here, we can rotate, we can spine, you see, whatever we want here. We can walk, we can fly. We can go to camera properties. There are many things, you see. We can change from this one, from camera and target. We can do whatever we want. Depth of field, roll, if you want to make it like this. So this for today, guys. Don't forget to like this video and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.